These are the fancy Easter eggs I 3D printed. The first one is a blocky Easter egg. You can even see the individual blocks. The second one is a fancy wavy Easter egg with metallic filament. The third one is a low poly Easter egg with orange filament. And the last one is an Easter egg with holes. You can hide these Easter eggs in your garden or around your home.